Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Amazon gift card to my Amazon account. Amazon gift cards make great gifts for almost anyone. Before you can start shopping, you'll need to add your gift card to your Amazon account so the funds are available to spend. Activating and redeeming an Amazon gift card using the Amazon app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device only takes a few minutes. To get started, open the Amazon app on your device. You'll land on the home screen. Next, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner, then choose Gift Cards and Registry under the Programs and Features section. On the next screen, tap the drop-down arrow next to your gift card balance at the top and select Redeem an Amazon gift card. On the redemption screen, enter the claim code found on the back of your physical card or in your email if it's a digital card, then tap Apply to your balance. You'll see a confirmation message showing how much was added along with your updated gift card balance. Your funds are now ready to use immediately for any Amazon purchase. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.